Hello, I'm Mr. Ely, and today we're going to talk about two different kinds of division story problems where the division problem and the answer is identical, but the answer means different things depending on the context of the story problem. The first one that we're going to talk about is called the group size unknown. In fancy math talk, we're going to call it the partitive, and in kid-friendly terms, we're going to call it the fair share. So, in our example problem of 24 divided by 6, we're using 6 kids are sharing 24 apples equally. How many apples will each kid get? We know the number of groups. The number of groups is the number of children, so that's 6. And we know the number of apples that they're going to be sharing is 24. And we can solve that problem by dealing them out very much like I would deal out cards in a game, one at a time, to each member of each group until all of the apples are gone. Once all the apples are gone, I can look at the amount of apples in one group, and that will give me my quotient. There, all of the apples are gone. And when I look at each group, I see that each group has 4 apples. Therefore, the 24 apples divided between 6 kids is 4, and each child gets 4 apples. The other problem that we do with the same 24 divided by 6 equaling 4 is the group number unknown. And in this problem, we have the same amount of apples, but we don't know how many kids will be getting apples. We do know how many apples each kid will be getting, though. Each kid will be getting 6. So we want to know how many kids will be getting apples. And we do that by what's called the measurement way, and we're going to actually just take groups of 6 out of the group of 24 and seeing how many groups of 6 we get. There's a group. There's a group. There's a group, and there's a group. Now we can see each child getting 6 apples, that the quotient is still 4, but the meaning of the number 4 is different because 4 children will be getting apples in this problem. So that is how the two different division story problems work. Thanks.